Hello, this is Lolly and I'm back with one more tag. When I had my kits, I was accidentally given an extra tag. I can't find it. So what I did was I just trimmed down a piece of, I think, file folder maybe. And so this is 6 by 3 1/8, which is the size we've been using. So all I'm going to need to do is just put a hole in it and trim off the top. But I think first what I want to do is glue this down. So I have several papers from this collection. And this is called Pumpkin Party. And let's get started. I really like this. I like both sides a lot, so it's a really difficult decision. So I'm going to use one of the ones that I've already done so I can mark where to trim the corners. I have other corner rounders and things, but I just want this to match the other ones I've done. Okay, so now we have our base. And I think I'm going to put, I was just going through my scraps. I'm just going to layer this on there. Actually, yeah. And I'm thinking about, I'm going to make that off center like this. I like that better. Now what I want to do with this is I thought I would make an envelope. And I want a 2-inch square, so I cut this 3 3/8 inch. And score on 1 5/8. I was going too far there. Oh, the other thing I need to do is get this out. What did I say? 1 5/8. Okay, now so adorable. Okay. Isn't that cute? That's just too sweet. Okay. So one of the things I'm thinking is I could put a pumpkin inside here. I could put one of those stickers. Let me see where it went. One of these. Let's see how that would look. I could do both. Let's do both. Let's put a pumpkin like at an angle like this. And then put one of these in here. Let's do the trick-or-treat one. Very cute. I need something right down at the bottom, like a little candy corn might be perfect. There you go. And I think I'll leave the sticky on the back. However, I'm thinking one more thing right here, and I'm not sure yet until it really speaks to me. I think I might put another pumpkin right there. But this was in the chipboard collection, not chipboard, but there were the odds and ends pack and the chit chat. And so I took these out of those. I cut this out with one of my dies, and it was a Spellbinders die, and I just cut a circle out to go on the inside. I thought that would kind of offset that. I'm just looking to see what I have here. And I want to elevate some of this, but I also think one of the things I'm going to do, yeah, I'm going to lower this down a little bit. Okay, thinking through it all. And this is going to get on there first. And then I think I'm going to lift this up a little bit. Oh yeah. Okay, and let's see, how about an angle? cute. And the question is, do I want to lift this up? And I am thinking, yes, I do. Just a little more oomph there. Okay. 31, also at an angle. Now I want a border across here. I like these ghosts. I'm thinking, I'm not sure whether to go straight across or just above the black, and I think I'm going to go just above the black, and 4 ghosts ought to do it. But these need their own little dots too. Oh, those are so adorable. And something across the bottom. They have such cute borders. I like this fence. It's not going to show up against this. I did the ghosts, so I'm thinking oh, that just adds such a sweet touch to it. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, so I still have this envelope that I want to put on there. And I have the dots. But I also have this adorable Frankenstein. I'm trying to figure out whether I'm going to do that or not. I'm going to have to lift this up. Or I could put it under here. That's true. I could put it under there. And still thinking. I know I'm going to do it. I'm going to put this pumpkin down first. Okay, and I'm going to pop this one up. I see there's a, sometimes the stickers have these little parts you need to pop out. Okay. Oh, it's looking so cute. Now I still have some of these I want to use. And I want to use one of these words here. Let's see what we're doing here. Fun. And one more. Let's do eerie and fun. But I think I might want to pop this one up a little bit. There we go. Eerie and fun. Put these on there. Okay. Oops, I never did get this on there. I totally forgot this. I'm really not sure this is going to work now. So I'm going to put this back with my set. And I'm going to find a ribbon for this. I was digging through my scraps. I decided to use scraps instead of getting a new roll of something out. I don't need all that, so I'm going to cut off my excess and use it for something else. Okay, so now I have a total of 6 of these, 5 that I did in the kit and 1 that I just created myself. So I'm going to put these all in a book, and I'm going to do a separate tutorial on how I'm going to do that. So these are actually pages that flip in the book, so stay tuned for one of my upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.